Hi YouTube friends, today we're going to review the Studio Creator set. This can be a perfect gift for anybody 8 years and older. It is user friendly and essentially for the price of $29.99. But I must tell you, we bought this for sale for $19.99. You know me, I am frugal. I looked for the sale price for this product for only $19.99. I also read somewhere in a blog that a young man bought it for $7. He had gotten it for $7, but I think it was at a yard sale. And it was brand new from what I read and saw the pictures. So we're going to open it and look at it together. Now, before I start the video with the review, essentially what you're paying for is an LED light that has 3 functions and a tripod, which has a holder for a smartphone and a green screen. Okay, YouTube friends, so we're going to open this together.
But Mommy, I did not open it with you.
Okay, so here's this box. Put this on the side, and let's open this box. There's no tape on it, so it looks like I can just, or maybe it's easier if I do it from the back. Sometimes I find it easier to open packages that way. Yep. And here it is. Here is the LED light. Baby, can you hand me your ruler? So let's see. Here, it's about 7 inches, I would say. And, let me see. Is that 6.5? So it's a fair size. Oh, I see. And in here, this is the phone holder. But see, just looking at this, it's less than 5 inches, or just about 5 inches, right, inside. And like if I bend this from here to here, about 2 inches. Oh, I hope you guys can see this. And then from here to there, it's about 2 inches, 2 1/8 of an inch, which I predict a problem, because if you have a smartphone, a smartphone that is pretty long, you see, let's pretend this is your phone. If you put your phone this way, the light reflection will block. If you put your phone this way, it'll also block it here. So it's almost like you have to have a smaller phone so that it doesn't affect the reflection of the light pulling towards you. Just so you know what I mean, here on the picture, the phone is small enough so it's not in the way of the LED light, and therefore there will be no interruption. But if your phone is like my phone, there might be. Matter of fact, this compared to the image looks like it was whitened a little bit, actually. I don't think this is, just the way it looks. Of course, I knew you would. Okay, so this is the tripod that we were talking about. And if you would be as kind as to perhaps move those things over there. So I don't know how big this thing is.
Let's try to do
it. Yes.
Let's find out.
Oh, okay. So on its own, without me doing anything, it is about 12 inches, I think, I would say.
I thought it was longer than that.
Yeah, me too, because that's what it seems like in the picture. But I did a lot of reading about this product. In the picture, it looks deceiving because it looks like the people... May I have the box again?
Here you go.
Thank you. It's okay. You can grab... We can just put those in the side. We'll get them later.
I like the bubbles.
I know you like to pop those. So in the picture, you know, it looks like the tripod is as tall as the people, right? Because it's taking a picture of them, allegedly,
so
supposedly.
It looks like it's taller than that.
Absolutely, I agree with you. But, you know, obviously here's the beginning of the tripod. So they elevated it so that it looks a certain way. So let's put this one back over there.
Okay.
And then we have to make this one bigger. So... yeah.
Oh, so now it looks like that.
Well, a little bit. Still, I still don't think it's big enough, but...
I think...
Oh, we have to tighten it here, too. I hope they can see what I'm doing.
Oh, me too.
Okay, so there it is. Let me see.
They can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they can see it. They can see it.
Great. So now, let's see.
They can see it.
Oh, that's awesome. I just need to make sure that we're demonstrating. So here, it looks like there's a little round edge here. And I'm guessing there's one right here, too.
Yes. Yeah, you're right, Mom. I think.
Yeah, in here.
Yeah, so
you guys can
let's
see.
try it.
So now let's put it together, pop it in there.
It does work, Mom.
Nope, that's not how it goes. So now, okay, so you have to take this off. No, not. Here it is. So you're supposed to remove this. Can you guys see that in the camera? Let me just make sure. Okay, this is the piece I removed at the top of this. So now I can put this in here. It should be able to pop. Okay, it was able to pop. I had to use a little bit of force off the camera, but I'll do it in camera now.
She's strong.
Now, there you go. But I still did it wrong, baby, because look, this is here. So maybe I'm supposed to loosen it.
Or maybe
pop
I
it.
take it off.
Oh, look, duh. Okay, so I put this here, pop it, and then screw it back in. You see?
Oh.
Okay, there it is. So now we're gonna connect this. It's a USB cord, so you need a charger, which they don't tell you. I didn't see one. So allow us to do that, and then we'll be right back with you.
Yes.
Okay, YouTube friends, so we're back and we found out that there is no charger. It does not come with the charger, so you have to provide your own charger for this.
Can you see it?
I hope you can. So it's a USB cable and we have to provide our own charger. So we have the charger and now we're going to plug it up, set it up for you guys to show. Give us a moment, please. So we're back, YouTube friends, and again, there is no charger included. It didn't come with it. We have to provide our own. So just know that if you give this as a gift. Absolutely. But first, let me see what the button says. Okay, so the button says here, this button is for power on, minus, it looks like rotate or circulation, and then plus. So would you like to turn the button on?
Yes. And press. Wow.
Okay. And then let's do this little rotation. 2, 3. Okay, so this, you guys, is white. The color is white. Natural. And warm. So I can already tell you that we like that there's 3 settings. But now I have to find out what this minus and plus is for. So minus. Oh, it dims it. Plus. Okay, so each setting, you guys, has a negative and a positive, or a minus and plus. One moment, please. Okay. So what if we shut that light off?
Yes.
To show our YouTube friends. Okay, so this is with our background light off. So warm, white, natural, and then you can go higher. That's the highest it goes. And the dimmest, that it goes.
I think you're confusing our YouTube friends. It's white, natural, and then warm.
Yeah, so white,
natural,
warm. But if you go from warm, white, no, okay, you're right. So
white, natural, warm.
White, natural, warm, yes.
And your glasses.
Me too, I love him also. So here you can see how if the phone is too big, oh, where did I leave that ruler going? You will not be able to get the full length of the light, you see? It's not like the picture shows. So, excuse me. See how the picture shows that the phone is inside the circle, therefore nothing is blocking the light. But the reality is this. And hi YouTube friends, this is a bonus clip. So I noticed that on the back of the box and on the internet, it states here that the Yeah, so my phone is actually exactly almost the size of this ruler. So could you imagine my phone? It would take up more of the light. So
it's like
again,
this.
I like to, when I do reviews, I try my best. I'm not perfect to do reviews that are very detailed, because I, like you, I work hard for my money. I'm on a budget. I am very frugal. I want to make sure that the items that I buy, the way they were advertised, actually work. I want to help us really in the long run. I want to make sure that when you spend your money, that it is what you paid for, what it was advertised, and just to show you, I'm not discouraging people to buy the product. I'm simply letting you know what the product capability is, so that when you buy this for somebody, it's not a disappointment, and you buy something that they're going to use, you're going to benefit from, and perhaps even make a little money on the side with, right? Okay, YouTube friends, that concludes our video, except for one thing, the green screen. Let's not forget that.
Yes.
So here's the green screen.
Oh, what's in here? I see something. You see that little thing inside of here?
We'll try to figure out what that is. Okay, so I can already tell you that this is a good quality because it's pretty thick. It is probably, imagine a tablecloth that you bought, but twice the thickness of a plastic tablecloth, the ones you see at the 99-cent store, or even the Dollar Tree. It's 2 times thicker than that. The only thing with this is that, again, unless you know how to use the apps, and most young people, no. The only thing about the green screen is that you need to know how to use a green screen using your app. So friends, it is 1 by 1.5 meters. So 40 inches by 60. And that's about it. That concludes it. We like it as a gift. However, we actually bought it for ourselves for only $19.99. I don't see myself paying more than that for this product. We're gonna keep it because we like it. This is functional for us. We might have to stand by on the green screen. This is definitely gonna help us with our YouTube videos. We hope you like. We hope you subscribe. And thank you for watching, YouTube friends.
Bye, YouTube friends. I hope you like our video.